Nongrim kasang United Democratic Party UDP ubadiru Menteri Sarkar Bah Paul Lyngdoh. Hakasantre gurampang arhajar arpusan ula Buh Jingkylli halor ka jingkeno bamla ka seng Voice of the People's Party benkentup ka artikel lais pa nyopuwe ka manifesto jong ke election sya ka Autonomous District Council karium kasi bat jantia. Habis keren Bah Paul Lyngdoh ulang baga VPP hadian baglas ajet kesnam arhajar arpulai. Kladat banwan ke resolution ban pelat no ke Meghalaya ke 6th schedule bat ban pentrekam da ke artikel lais pa nyopuwe. Hendrai ke UDP ke nyai beteng ban pensyai pat ba balai ba ke artikel lais pa nyopuwe kam dai ke lenti ke bapiang ya ke Meghalaya. Haba jubab ke Jingkylli ke jingkren be kinau thok kubor Bah Paul Lyngdoh ulong ba ke VPP ke keren halor ke artikel lais pa nyopuwe. Lala bandon ke na kerensan jong keseng bat kani ke jo kelaja na ka manifesto jong ki ulong ba kamut bet bagran ke ba keseng kampat long shai bha kila ban shu persyang bandrung ha ke jaka pedang jong ke bor ka ki HDC ndawa ya ka artikel lais ba nyapuwe bat hadian shim smai kum ki MDC namar ki hab ban bam smai ban bat Nongrim jong 6th schedule ya ka ba artikel lais pa nyapuwe ka kwa ban penyap Nalor kani uni unong yalam ke UDP ulayai ban ya ke jing penbet ke Sarkar Pedang bagi kinu ke jaka ke belat rekam ke 6th schedule kam dan nanti satya ban pentrekam saya ke artikel lais pa nyapuwe uni unong yalam ke UDP ula penken mauru ba ula persyajor ke resolution balawan ra do presiden ke VPP bat MLA ke Nongrim uba ardan mela besar mod ban pentrekam ya ke artikel lais pa nyapuwe ha Meghalaya ha ke dorbar ke yang dorbar tauan ke belalong ha ke senam arhajar katsan.
Well, I am very categorical in asserting that in any arrangement where the 6th schedule is in operation, there is no possibility of Article 371 being invoked. It's as clear as daylight. Both the 6th schedule and Article 371 cannot coexist in a single system. A very clear example is that of the state of Mizoram, where Article 371 covers the entire Mizoram except for the 3 autonomous district councils which have been constituted to cater to the needs of other tribals, meaning tribals within Mizoram who are non-Mizos. The rest of Mizoram comes under 371, meaning that you can't have 371 and the 6th schedule at the same time, which is why the 3 ADCs of Mizoram have been constituted to address to the needs of non-Mizo tribals within the state of Mizoram. It's as clear as daylight. And if anybody asks about my stand on the matter, in 2015, when Biden had moved a resolution calling for the implementation of Article 371 within Meghalaya, it's on record that I had also participated in the debate to oppose the idea of Article 371 because, for instance, look at 2 immediate examples which I can give you. One, the Land Transfer Act is implementable across Meghalaya except in the 3 normal areas of Shillong. Why? Because the entire state of Meghalaya is constituted and these areas have been declared as scheduled areas. What do you mean by scheduled areas? Scheduled areas are called because we fall under the 6th schedule. The CAA, Meghalaya has been exempted. 98% of Meghalaya has been exempted from the CAA, and the CAA is only applicable again to the 3 normal wards within the city of Shillong, because the rest of the state is covered by the 6th schedule. And the moment you tamper with that, you destroy the very foundation of Meghalaya statehood. And for any political party that seeks to implement 371, the first thing that they need to do when they are elected is to adopt a resolution calling for the immediate exclusion of Meghalaya from the 6th schedule and the imposition of Article 371. That's their first responsibility, meaning as soon as they are elected, they should adopt that resolution that we do away with the sixth schedule and come under Article 371. Is that doable? Let the electorate decide. Because debates within the House are sacrosanct. These are not speeches made in some bazaar. It was a speech that I had made on the floor of the House with cogent arguments why 371 is not a solution for Meghalaya. So that argument we will continue to share with the electorate, but it's easy to mislead people if they are not sufficiently informed. So I would, in fact, as UDP, we will be enlightening the public as to why 371 is not at all an option for them. Well, as it is, the entire state is covered by the ADCs. If you speak of my constituency, for instance, the entire Shillong West and Jayao constituency falls under municipal areas, and yet it is also a scheduled area. So you have both trade licenses issued by the council, and also you have elected MDCs. So that idea has already been implemented. I don't see any fresh argument there.